Hi everyone, I'm back. It's time for an unboxing. I got one more thing which I can give you a clue to it and when this video is filmed. Here's the package. I got two of these and then I'm back to normal after it. So I have to do something. This is really the shits. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. I'm just gonna give me 2 seconds. I have to get this from here. I'm just gonna cry about the CG thing. Nothing in there. I'm not going to show you the back of it because of reasons. Let me just. So it's just headache, yeah. I have, and this package has arrived for me now. Here we go. I'm just going to lightly have to. I just have to. Hang on. No. No. Hang on a second, I'm just gonna give me a minute. Shit, that's not going to happen. Hang on, guys. Right, yeah, hang on, guys. Let's pull this. Ooh, okay, I got 2 albums today. Okay, I'm just gonna go about this one first. Do these 2 at once. So let's put that to the side for a minute. Here's the front 2, 3, and back 2, 3. We have triple CD featuring 30 essential tracks and 2 CDs plus a bonus square and previous unreleased material. We have Blinded by the Light, 4 Years, Spirit of the Night, 4th of July, Angel Park, Sadie, Where's That Come Out Tonight, Run the Road, 1 to 1, Jungle Land, Badlands, Dargo of the Edge of Town, The Promised Land, The River, Hungry Heart, Never Asking, Out the City. The CD2 have Born in the USA, Glory Days, Dancing in the Dark, Tumble of Love, Brilliant Diseases, Hungry Touch, Living Free, Lucky Stars, Through Philadelphia, The Ghost of John Dade, The Rising, Mary's Place, Lonesome Day, American Skids, 41 Shots Live, and Lands of the Hope and Dreams Live. Then the third CD, the bonus CD, we have From Small Things, Big Things One Day Comes, The Big Payback, Hell Up Without a Gun Live, Trap Live, Noise, None But Brave, Missing, Lift Me Up, Riverless Vega, Country Fair, Coastal Suns Live, Dead Men Walking, A Country on a Miracle, Acoustic, Bruce Springsteen and E Street Band. I have another album I didn't think I was getting, so I got a bonus. Woohoo! So this is my Bruce Springsteen box set. Now I'm going to show you the booklet. Hang on. Be careful, guys. I'll be back in a minute. I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. I had an interruption, so I'm back now. So I'm just gonna have to pull the booklet out from here. So I'll show you the disc in a minute. I'm just gonna show you the booklet. I have this now on CD, so here's the booklet. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to show you the first page. 1, 2, 3. The next page after that. 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3. Then the next page after that. 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3. Then the next page after that, which would be these two here. 1, 2, 3. Then 10 and 11. 1, 2, 3. Then we have 13. Then we've got 14 and... No, sorry, we don't. Hang on. Yes, we do. Here we go. 13, 14, 15. The next page after that will be 16 and 17, which will be the last songs on the first CD. 1, 2, 3. You have a photo of the band in the middle. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to get out of that, show you the second CD. Starts with Born in the USA. 1, 2, 3. 23, we have 1, 2, 3. Then we're up to track 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3. We have 11 and 12. 1, 2, 3. Then we have the next page, 28, 29. 1, 2, 3. 30, 31, the final songs on disc 2. 1, 2, 3. And then we've got 30, I believe it's next page. 1, 2, 3. The next one. 1, 2, 3. Then the next one again, it's these two. 1, 2, 3. The next page again is the final two pages. 1, 2, 3. And then we've got a few more pages. We've got a band photo of Bruce at the end. I like Bruce Springsteen, so 1, 2, 3. And then after that, I'll close that and show you the final page in this book. 1, 2, 3. And back. 1, 2, 3. That was showing you the booklet of Bruce Springsteen, The Essential. I'm going to show you the discs one at a time, so I'm going to put that there for a minute. Give me a second, I'm going to show you this. 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to grab the CD. Give me 1 second. 1, 2, 3. Back. 1, 2, 3. Put that in. Close it up. Let's grab out the second and third discs. Don't need to show you what's behind CD2 because it's just the black bit. It's boring as hell. So I'm going to show you 1, 2, 3. And back. 1, 2, 3. Take the CD out. I'm going to show you the photo. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to now show you the CD. Give me 1 second. Disc 3. Let's draw on this one. 1, 2, 3. Right. 1, 2, 3. Close it up. Close it up. Okay. That was my unboxing of The Essential Bruce Springsteen. Good compilation. I have one more surprise I didn't think I was going to get. So I'll do that now, so I'll see you in a minute. Like, comment, or subscribe, and let me know what you think of the Essential Bruce Springsteen 2003 version. There isn't many of these on YouTube, so I'm lucky. There you go. See you next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you for video 2 of 2 today. See you then, and peace out. Love you all. Don't forget to go to Dr. Haddock 1997 and 1997 Extra. Peace. Bye, guys. Take care, and I love you lots. Bye.